In this short video, I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone to your Fire TV stick quickly and easily. Many iPhone users want to cast their screen to a Fire TV stick to watch videos, display photos, or use apps on a bigger screen. However, Fire TV Stick does not support AirPlay by default, making it tricky to mirror your iPhone. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple solution to fix this. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me until the end to learn an alternative method that works as well. Now let's get started with the step-by-step solution to mirror iPhone to your Fire TV stick. Step 1. Install a screen mirroring app. To start, head over to your Fire TV stick home screen. Press and hold the home button on your Fire TV remote. Navigate to Find, then click on Search. Type in FastCast or another recommended mirroring app like AirScreen. Select FastCast from the search results and click Download to install it. Once installed, open FastCast and make sure the iPhone Share option is selected. Step 2. Connect your iPhone. Now, switch to your iPhone and follow these steps. Ensure both your iPhone and Fire TV stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Then tap Screen Mirroring. Look for FastCast or your Fire TV stick's name in the list and tap on it. Within seconds, your iPhone screen should appear on your Fire TV stick. If you don't see your Fire TV stick in the screen mirroring menu, here are some troubleshooting options. Double-check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both your Fire TV stick and iPhone. If you're using Wi-Fi extenders, connect both devices to the same router or booster. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with an alternative method. If FastCast doesn't work, you may wish to try AirScreen. AirScreen is a popular screen mirroring app that allows you to cast your iPhone to your Fire TV stick using AirPlay. It provides a smooth and reliable connection, making it a great alternative. To proceed, search for AirScreen on the Fire TV stick. Download and install AirScreen. Open AirScreen and select Start to enable mirroring. On your iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and select your Fire TV stick. This method works similarly but may have ads unless you upgrade to the premium version. To explore more Apple product video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.